Governor Reynolds is vowing to appeal federal injunctions blocking Iowa's new immigration enforcement law. The law makes it a state crime for an undocumented immigrant to be in Iowa after being deported. Even if upheld, many police departments say the law would be difficult to enforce. WHO 13 Zach Fisher is live in Marshalltown this evening. Zach, police there have concerns about this new law.
Yeah, you're exactly right, Aaron. And the concern is from several different angles, too. There's worry that there might not be enough staff to properly apply this law. There's worry about a lack of guidance from the state. And there's also concern about the department's relationship with the community could be hurt. So out today in Marshalltown, I talked with Chief of Police Michael Tupper about his thoughts on the injunction and how he believes that his community is better off without this law, but the department will enforce the law if and when the injunction gets overruled. I talked with one man who was born and raised in Marshalltown. He talked about the law with me and how it concerns him that an undocumented immigrant with no criminal history trying to seek essential services may feel or may stay in the house due to the threat of illegal reentry.
The mere discussion of these types of laws damages community relationships and creates a lot of confusion. So it's important for a safe community that everybody in the community feels like they're being served by local law enforcement and feels safe to call the police.
How would any of us feel if we knew we were responsible for a mother not being able to go to the hospital to deliver a baby, especially if there's complications? Now all of a sudden, they couldn't go to their hospital of choice. Now they can't do that, and they have to be sitting at home struggling and suffering. And I can't live with that.
Now, Tupper says that these conversations around immigration policy as a whole have already fractured some relationships in the community, and that he hopes that there's some clear guidance in the near future from this state on how this law will function, if police departments will ever be able to enforce it. Waiting for that appeal still, Aaron.
Okay, we know you'll keep track of it. Thanks so much, Zach.